Is your EIN information up to date within your Bizee account? Let's make sure your business records are accurate by updating it in the Bizee company portal. First, navigate to the Bizee website, that's bizee.com, formerly known as Incfile. Then, click on the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields. Double-check for any typos to avoid login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. You should now be on your Bizee dashboard. Look for the Business Profile or Company Information section. The exact wording may vary slightly. This is where you'll find your business details. Scroll through the Company Information section until you find the Employer Identification Number or EIN field. If it's not immediately visible, there might be an Edit or Update button nearby that you need to click first. Carefully enter your updated EIN. Ensure you double-check the number for accuracy before stating. A single-digit error can cause significant issues. After entering the updated EIN, click the Save Changes or Submit button to finalize the update. You might receive a confirmation message on the screen. Congratulations, your EIN is now updated in Bizee.